So guys, if you are also facing this kind of ss06 device ban issue whenever you're trying to log in your Snapchat account, then in today's video I will tell you by 7 steps how you can fix this kind of ss06 device ban issue. So friends, first of all let us know what is the exact cause of this problem. So guys, whenever you not follow the Snapchat guidelines, then you will face this kind of issue. For example, if you are creating a lot of new accounts from a single device, or if you are doing a lot of spam from your device, then you will face this kind of issue. And I think this is the major cause of ss06 device ban issue. And friends, if you want to fix this issue, then follow these steps. First of all friends, update your Snapchat application from your Play Store or App Store. So in our second step, you have to clear the Snapchat apps cache in the settings to remove any temporary files that may be causing this kind of issue. And in our third step, you have to reinstall your Snapchat application. And in our fourth step, try to switch networks. Like if you are using your Snapchat application by using your mobile's data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and if you are using Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data. This can also fix your issue. And in our fifth step, you have to wait at least 24 hours to 7 days and try to log in again after this time. And in our sixth step, try to log in your Snapchat account in different device, because this can also fix this issue, because sometimes the issue is in the device, not in the account. So try to log in your Snapchat account in different device. So guys, in our seventh step, you can create a clone app of Snapchat on your phone and try to log in using that. This may also fix your problem. But if this still doesn't solve your issue, you can factory reset your device. This may also solve this kind of device ban problem, but I would not recommend it, as it will delete all your photos, data and contact from your device. And guys, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.